for you?
Hope so.
How long you been away?
14 months.
Take it slow. It's the one thing they don't train you for. All right, let's go.
I can't tell you.
Can I see it?
Don't let him see. Don't let him see.
Whoa! Oh my God!
It's a welcome home.
Oh my God! Look at that.
That's you, and that's me.
What's it say?
Welcome home, Daddy.
Daddy's home.
Daddy's home.
Cake